Hello friends, here we discuss about one question of the power electronics. The question is, if the latching current for a circuit shown below in the figure is 2 milliampere, then we have to obtain the value of the minimum width for the proper turn on of the SCR. So we have to find T minimum, that is minimum pulse width, for which SCR become turn on. And the figure is given here. 120 volt is the supply voltage and the inductor value given is 0.2 Henry, and it is thyristor value which is indicated by T, which is connected between supply voltage and the inductor value. Okay. From the inductor property, we know that VL is equal to L di by dt. So what will happen when SCR become on? When SCR become on, then supply voltage Vs is equal to inductor voltage VL. That's what I have written here. When SCR become on, VL, that is inductor voltage, is equal to supply voltage Vs is equal to L di by dt. And after rearranging on both the sides and after integrating on both the sides from 0 to T minimum and from 0 to IL, we will get the minimum pulse width, that is T minimum, is equal to L upon Vs into IL, where IL is the latching current, L is the inductor value, Vs is the supply voltage. Here I have integrated from 0 to IL and here from 0 to T minimum, because we have to find the T minimum for which SCR become on, and SCR will be on only when current I reach to latching current IL. So here when the current reach to latching current IL, SCR become on, and at that time T minimum we have to find the pulse width. So I have used here T minimum. So after substituting the value of L, that is 0.2, Vs 120 volt, IL 2 into 10 to the power minus 3, we will get the T minimum value, that is 3.3 microsecond, that is the minimum pulse width. Thank you.